All right, Mr. Gage, we are here pursuant to an incident that is alleged to have taken place on June 25th, 2026. You have subsequently thereby, sir, been charged with 3 counts. Count 1, lewd and lascivious act.
Your Honor, sir, we waive the reading of the charge.
Okay. I'm just reviewing the probable cause. Be a warrant issued for the defendant's arrest on each of the 3 charges. That was issued by Judge Williams around June 19th of 2026. All right, pursuant to that, I do find probable cause for the charges and for that arrest warrant to exist at this time. State?
It's gonna request 15,000 count 1, 10,000 count 2, and 5,000 count 3, and no victim contact.
Any priors?
Your Honor,
Your Honor, he has a grand theft auto or resisting without violence, burglary.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, defense, go ahead.
if we can get an order for med screen, he does suffer from seizures, so we want to make sure that he's okay.
All right. And I don't have the bond schedule memorized. State the 15, the 10, and the 5. Are those standard on the pursuant to the bond schedule?
They're not unreasonable, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I just wanted to see what was standard. Yes, yes, meaning what?
Yes, that these are standard, at least the, what the state attorney's office is saying on that.
I'm seeing here on the warrant to arrest, it says here that it says no bond.
No bond hold for magistrate.
Oh, pardon, I see.
Judge, I'm looking at the AL regarding the bond, and they don't specifically address these statutes.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to find too.
They spell out 3rd degree, 5, 425 on the first 3,000. But as far as something that he's upper level, it's your discretion, Judge.
All right.
But I know that what was suggested is not unreasonable. Second degree, 15 is common.
Well, that's what I was just going to ask because I couldn't recall, and I don't know, does it tell me? It doesn't. So count 1 is a 2nd degree.
Yes, it's not PBL.
Yes, that's correct.
Let's count 2. I agree with that. Yeah.
I think it's a 2nd degree as well, Your Honor.
Give me a second. I want to just. How old is the defendant?
Is
Oh, it actually says it here. Don't worry about it in the probable cause. So,
We don't have any Spanish in name, right?
do we?
Well, just, we're approaching
Yeah.
12. We got time, but you got one more Spanish in name.
We'll do them next.
Thank you. That's it.
Mr. Williams, so we are here pursuant to for a date, yes, an incident that is alleged to have taken place on June 25th, 2026, where you, sir, were charged with 1 count of selling cocaine. Right, I do find probable cause for that charge. What is the state recommending?
$5,000.
Your Honor,
Yes.
if the court can consider the fact that Mr. Williams is a lifelong resident of the state of Florida, He does have family here, has significant ties to the state. He is also employed with a landscaping company for the last 5 years, does have a place to stay. If the court could, reduce the bond, hopefully to 2,500, um, that would allow for him to get back to work.
State, any priors?
No, not any violent priors. He has a few drug possession priors, though.
From how long ago?
5 and 10 years.
Okay. So I'm sorry, defense again was seeking that the bond be what?
If it could be reduced to 2,500, but based on how long ago the others, were, if it could be reduced to 1,000.
State.
25 hours files.
All right, $2,500 seems fair, so the court will issue a $2,500 bond on this one count for Mr. Williams. All right, next is Anthony Leroy Allen.
Anthony Leroy Allen, President approaching, Your Honor.
Okay.
Please at the podium.
All right, in Mr. Allen's case, we are here pursuant to allegations stemming from June 25th, 2026, whereby, sir, you've been charged with one count of selling cocaine. Are these cases related, this one and Mr. Williams?
I think they're just separate confidential informant buys.
Okay. All right. Well, I do find probable cause for the charge in here. There is probable cause based on what is within the probable cause affidavit. What is the state recommending on this one?
State's gonna recommend 5,000. The difference between the two is this defendant does have a violent prior, although it's a while back, he has attempted second-degree murder. He has a bunch of other drug possession charges.
Okay. All right. Anything from the defense?
Yes, Your Honor, he is a lifelong resident of the state of Florida. He is currently employed as a clerk with Burger King. He does have a place to stay. If the court could reduce the bond, hopefully to 3,000, that would allow him to continue employment.
What are the priors?
Attempted first degree or attempted second degree murder, that's in 1990. He's got possession of cocaine with intent to deliver sale, that's 1987. Grand theft in 1988. Possession of burglary tools and burglary in 1989.
What's the recent? What's most recent?
2018 sale, deliver cannabis near business.
Okay. What do you got before that?
In terms of more priors,
Yeah.
that's pretty much it, Your Honor. Then the ones already listed.
All right. All right. We'll do a $3,500 bond on Mr. Allen on this one count. All set. Next, it's on the docket, says no paperwork, but I'll call it just in case. Ryan Lee Schmidt. Okay. Next is Stephen Turvis on page 22.
He waived, Your Honor. He has a court date June 30th.
Okay, and Mr. Turvius has count of resisting an officer obstructing without, 3 counts of a violation of community control, felony community control on 3 different cases, and a felony violation of probation. Okay, I do see the active warrant, looks like from February 20th of 2024, which it appears is what the officers were attempting to effectuate at the time of arrest, where there is probable cause indicating that he did resist without violence. All right, so I do find that there's probable cause on these charges. And what is the state recommending? We've got the first count, and then of course the others.
$500 on that count one, and then the no bond for the rest.
Okay. All right, the court will issue, go ahead, counsel, did you want to say something?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, pardon me. Okay, the court will issue a $500 bond on count one, and there will be a no bond hold on counts 2 through 5.
Your Honor, respectfully, this is the Spanish interpreter.